Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use customized cutout in the CapCut PC. As you can see, this is the official application of CapCut and I have opened a project in the CapCut. And let's say I want to add a customized cutout. So how can you do it? So once you just select the clip, let's say I want to cut out this clip. So just select the clip and you will see this interface like video, speed, animation, the basic, remove BG and mask and retouch everything. So from here, just go to this remove BG or remove background option, and once you go to this option called remove background, you will be able to see everything like auto removal, the custom removal and chroma key. So you can check these three options: auto removal, custom and chroma key. Chroma key is basically used for mostly like green screen effects, like you want to remove green screen, and auto removal is basically it will automatically remove your object. And here is the custom removal. So custom removal is basically this is the first one, as this is the smart brush. Like I want to add something, so I will just like do once here and it will automatically add something. And I want to like smart erase, this is basically you use just one click and it will automatically remove the object. And if you want to like do it manually, here is the manual option. So you can choose the eraser and it will remove this object, and you can choose the brush and it will add it back. And from here you can choose the size of it. As you can see, the bigger the size goes, the here is the like bigger circle which I can add or remove. So this is basically a kind of auto custom, and this is basically the completely custom control that you can use. So that is how you can use custom cutout in CapCut PC.